part of the system is the heat absorption system. It allows for the heating and the cooling throughout the house. We take everything apart, clean it, make sure there's no kind of restrictions in the system, make sure there's no kind of contaminants in the system. Make sure you're breathing the cleanest, freshest air you possibly can. Typical tune-up for a typical system should take around 60 to 90 minutes. This is the air movement system. What this does is all the air that transfers through your house goes through this blower wheel. As you can kind of see all the dirt and grime that builds up on it. We take everything apart, clean it, and put it back together so that you're getting the cleanest air you possibly get in your house. We are chemically cleaning the air movement system to get all the dirt, grime, anything that's built up in here that contaminate the breathing air in the house and restrict airflow. All chemicals we use are good for any environment. No kind of hallucinogens in them at all. Okay, now we are checking the outdoor components. This is the voltage absorption system. This is a part that distributes the electricity throughout your system. We check this on every routine maintenance. It is very important that they are not touched because of the fact that even with the power cut off, it can still hold a charge.